welcome back to Latoria Designs and Decor. If you haven't subscribed, please feel free to do that. So I use this tower game that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and it's in the toy section, and I use these to create my drawer puller. And I use also these beautiful gem clear doorknobs that I purchased from Amazon. I'm going to link that below so you can check that out. And then I spray painted these tower game blocks. I pre-drilled a hole, into it. Put the nail inside of it, which comes with it as well, so you don't have to purchase your own. And then, guys, voila, that's it. You line them up perfectly how you want them. And this is what I got. I got tired of pulling that drawer out from the plastic, and I wanted something really easy and convenient, and guys, just worked so perfect for me, and I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So for the next DIY, I got this white poster foam board from the Dollar Tree, and then I got these beautiful little llamas. They are so pretty, guys, from the Dollar Tree as well. Some napkin ring holders, and then I purchased these adhesive gem stickers for it as well. And so these are the mirrors that I got for the glass. You don't have to get these, but this is what I got. And I kind of just outlined it so I can get 3 perfect boards. And this is what I got for each of them. And I just stacked them. I also forgot to mention that I used a bling wrap that I purchased from Walmart to go around it to keep it together as I glued it with the hot glue. And then I used the adhesive gemstones to go around it. This is it. The outcome looks like. It is so beautiful. Thanks for watching.